Alright, what is up everyone? Here we are, another beautiful day in paradise. Clear skies, no rain. It's like 80 degrees out. But we have a few missions we got to do today. We got to pick up the wash for the cats for Sammie's community service. Bring it to the laundromat, wash it, bring it back, and then she hand dries it. We also have to jump start the car, the Toyota, the green Toyota, my brother's car. Someone's coming to look at it at like 3, I think, or 4, or maybe after 12. I'm not really sure what they said, but show them that, and then maybe check out the beach today because it's so nice in Atlantic City. We're debating that. We're hopefully gonna do it. So another fun-filled day, living the dream. Woo!
Remember staring at the ceiling, trying to deal with emotions and your wanted feelings. All I wanted was a picture on my
wall. Alright, sending out 2 packages and 2 packs of stickers. One's going to Cape May, so that's not far. One's going to Indianapolis. One's going to Illinois. And then the other one is going... Oh, so Claire Cottrell ordered a medium and it was too small. So the shirts are small because they're already pre-washed. Have to be. So they're shrunk to the size they're going to be permanently. So when you buy a new shirt at the store, it's never been washed. These have, so sorry for that. She bought another one though and gave the other one to her friend, which if she would have just sent it back, I would have sent a large. So if your shirt doesn't fit, just message me and just send it back and we'll just send you the right size. But or if you just want to do what she did, order another one and just give that to your friend. Fine with us. But yeah, the dream continues. We're at the post office here in Summers Point. Alright, we found some trash here. We just went to the library to get some movies. Coming up on some total gold right now, boys. That's metal. And then we got this grill I'm about to throw in. You should just maybe film. We're getting it, right?
Yeah. It's not going to hurt your back lifting it up there, though, is it?
What? And then I'm just going to flip it.
Uh-huh.
So
Watch the...
It's dirty, though.
Hand sanitizer.
Jumbled in there. No scrap, no scrap. They must have taken all the metal. Moving on to the next claim. Alright, we're about to grab all this laundry for the Kikis and wash it and then bring it back here.
Mom's got her flea collar on. Hi, Mama. Say hi. Oh no, she doesn't have a flea collar on.
Come here.
Say hi, Mama.
Come here,
She's
baby.
She's real tiny. Like a tiny princess. Can I pick you up?
Like a Zuzu.
Oh. Like a tiny Zuzu.
She looks like a panther.
She got pollen all over her body. Yeah. Oh, she's kneading on me. She's sweet. She loves the camera because she's a princess.
That makes 2 of you.
Taking your dirty laundry, girl.
She doesn't even go in the house.
No, she doesn't. Loves the dirt. Do a little spin. Ooh, girl. You're all dirty.
We're on day 3 trying to get all the water out from the house. So this thing shuts itself off after a while for fear that it will break the motor. But this is how much water is flowing out by the minute from under our house. So there's no wonder there was mold under there when we moved in. because they probably just never did this. That one's working nicely though. We're leaving these tiles and this bike out here. 2 potential buyers for one and the other.
So this was like a learning experience.
Didn't you kind of think that somewhere along the line the hose was clogged?
I thought something was clogged, but...
Look how much water's coming out of there though.
A lot. And I'm gonna see.
We could fill a pool with this. Alright, we got all the baby stuff getting washed right now, so we're gonna walk down this little corridor that looks like it could be from a movie. Like a 1978 like B movie.
Thank you.
But we're about to get a pretzel in here at the Philadelphia Pretzel Factory, the local pretzel factory.
The local pretzel factory.
I mean, because you know what I mean? Like they have one in like every city around here.
Yeah.
That lemonade looks good though. Alright. So me and Jimmy Baggs, about a year ago, or a little more, went into this house. We called it the Demon House, and something really crazy happened to us in there. There's something supernatural, paranormal, whatever you want to call it, ghost, demon, spirit, something in that house, 100%. I believe. I'm just shooting a couple pictures of it. I'm too afraid to go back because I'm going to write a story into Weird New Jersey and attach a few photos because I think people deserve to know about the Demon House. So just another thing that I had in my mind that I wanted to do. But we're out of here. I just got the shots. Looks totally normal from here, but it's not. Alright, there's a creepy driveway right here. Oh, is it just this?
It looks bigger in the front.
No, I think it goes back to a house.
Ooh, watch out.
Oh shit, did you see that fox? Did you see it?
It wasn't a fox, it was like a cat.
Dude, that wasn't a cat.
Watch out, I don't know what the fuck is under here. Like these stumps might pop your tire.
Or someone put like spikes in the ground. Oh shit, it just stops here.
Shit, there's water.
Where?
Like right here.
Oh yeah, but not
Still
where we
water.
are. I wonder what this is.
Look at, see if there's that fox out there.
Dude, it was totally a fox. But we do have to be careful backing up, because if we went off the trail, we'd be smoked.
Oh, he's gonna love these stickies.
Do you think he's around here? Throwing treats to the fox that we saw over here, but it was like a heavy duty, like
Just pour the whole bag, right?
epic whatever it was.
Just in one spot so you can smell it.
Dude, he's gonna eat those for fucking a huge dinner meal, right? Don't foxes just eat meat though? There is this swamp right there. I wish I'd seen him better. Like on camera better. I saw him perfectly with my eyes.
I saw his booty.
You saw him, right?
His booty. He wasn't a red fox though.
He was a fox that had to have been. Scrap life. Dreamers. Dreamers. Got a package, a little package for the boys. What do we got? Oh shit.
Hey!
Damn, these are good movies.
Oh my god! It's a Sailor Moon patch! I used to love Sailor Moon! Literally, used to love Sailor Moon. Like, used to be on my dad's bed with like my Sailor Moon wand. So Asian. But, oh my god! These patches are sick! I'm not gonna lie though, I like the Kiki ones better. They're so cute!
Let's see the
This
other
one's
one.
so me too. It's like a weird key.
These movies are gold.
This looks like Cinderella. Hey.
Yeah.
Ooh. They drew me keys. My key babies. MJ and Sissy. Dear Tucker and Sammie, your YouTube channel is awesome. Thanks so much for amazing content. Hope you enjoy the duds. Is that what it says?
DVDs.
DVDs. Don't give me a hard time about that. His V's look like U's. So, hope you like the DVDs, not duds. If you have seen them, you can flip them at the flea. Patches for Sammie J. You guys are the best. Keep living the dream. You, Geoff T. Is it Jeff? Alright. Well, it's spelled like Geoff.
What do we got?
So the whole time I just thought your name was pronounced Geoff. Oh shit. Oh shit. So we got District 9, which I think I've seen and it is a good movie, but fuck, we don't got Blu-ray, niggy.
But we can maybe use it on my computer, I think.
True.
Possibly.
Thank God for Max. Dark City. Zero Effect. Which looks too funny. Only because Ben Stiller's face is on the front. We have the same ears.
Red Planet.
Red Planet. Wasteland, which I know I'm going to like, because I'm pretty sure I've seen it before. Fantastic Beasts, which is the one you wanted to say. It's like the Harry Potter one. But it's not Harry Potter.
We're going to watch all these.
We're going to watch all of them. Thank you so much, and thank you for my patches and my duds.
Alright, I put this on Craigslist, this car. I think I first posted it for, I want to say $2,500. Didn't get a single hit. So now it's posted for $1,800, I think. I mean, it's not really that nice of a car, to be honest, but it's decent to the extent that it does drive. It's not like just for parts. What's going on here, though? Alright, so we got it charging here. This thing is a 2006 Toyota 4Runner. I'm hoping to get $1,500 for it at the minimum, if not $1,800. So we'll see how that goes. Got it on Craigslist right now, and someone's supposed to be looking at it today, but now they're not answering. So I'm gonna try and get it started and drive it first, just to see how it rides. Title, everything's clean. So it's a clean sale.
There's a bunch of little shit.
Scrap Dreams on fleek.
Well, for the bulk of it, yeah. For the bulk of it, it's dishwasher, stove, washer, dryer, and I mean those are the biggest items.
All right, cool. We're down here in Atlantic City. We're about to go to the beach for a bit. Nice luxury private beach pretty much down here. This is going to be the Hard Rock Casino in AC. They're building it now. Well, it was already built, but they're building extravagant other buildings over there next to it. So they redid this whole wall and put up the new sign. It looks all brand new, actually. I don't know what they did to it. Doesn't it look like new, the concrete?
Yeah.
It's going to be really nice. Heaviest claim over here. Is this the lady? Hey, is this all trash or is this trash? Do you live here? Trash?
She's deaf, dude. Dude.
Like, who would have all these bikes? You know what I mean? Who would have all these bikes? Now our trailer load's gonna be filled brimming. Are you like just laughing at me or the other situation?
I was laughing at life. How awkward it is.
Why is there this many bikes? What happened?
They have like 4 kids in there, dude.
Yeah, they don't do anything. So they just fucking hang out. This is crazy, right? That's pretty much it. You gotta come back to that if it's still here.
Alright.
Alright, pulling up to our house, and we found all these bikes in the trash. The last 5 minutes ago. Just gonna transfer them. We got a nice scrap claim tomorrow from our friend Leland. So I'm gonna transfer all these bikes right into the trailer. Because I could try and sell them, but that's just a burden. And then someone's like, I'll buy them for this. They show up and they don't want to buy them. Or they give you like 20 bucks when they said they'd give you like 40. So I'm just scrap lifing them. This is what we got going on now. Took the battery out of my brother's Toyota because it wasn't charging in there. And we are going to now plug it in the garage. We're going to plug it in right here. Get to it. Just reaches right there, and then we're gonna set it up. I believe that it's plugged in. We will see. Maybe the battery's done. I don't know. It looks like a new battery though. Newer. Alright, so someone took the tile off the porch. We're trying to see what happened to it. Where are you looking for it? We're seeing if he left any money. He said, okay, so I dropped the money in your mailbox? Okay. Well, then you didn't. So why would you say that? Dude, the boy comes bearing gifts of scrap life. What's this from? Your vegetable garden?
From the backyard. It was just in a corner in the backyard.
Alright, well just throw it up in the trailer for the dreamers.
I got it. So I pulled it all out.
Don't scratch your baby.
And pulled all the... This is like clover with like vines.
This is poison ivy, you think?
No, it was all dead vines.
I just found all these bikes. It's loading. It's a heavy claim. We're hopefully about to make. Ooh, so close. So tomorrow we should be at 16,000 subscribers.
Woo!
But we're close enough either way. Every day's a move towards the dream. So every day's a push. But we are about to go to sleep. We had an amazing day, another amazing day. Went to the beach, found a bunch of scrap. Got jacked for some tile. I left tile on the front porch and the guy was supposed to leave the money.
So mean. He jacked us.
Didn't get jacked for anything else though around here.
He jacked us.
But yeah, so thank you guys for all the support. Hopefully by tomorrow we'll be at 16,000 subscribers, so that's a huge deal. It's just another milestone, another step. And we are watching the show Hoarders for inspiration. Right?
Right.
But yeah, thank you guys, and just keep pushing your own dreams. That's the claim. That's what we do every day. Dream seeking. So keep pushing and never give up, never surrender. What's the claim on the shirt that you got?
I got this from the estate sale. says, "This shall be my finest moment." And it's a Kiki.
And
I don't really know what this shirt is, but...
It's awesome is what it is.
Yeah.
Just like, yeah. What's the last claim of the night?
Good night or good morning.
You. Peace out, everyone. See you tomorrow.
We're rolling.
Is it
It's bright enough, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you look under the lion?
This one I looked under, not that one.
Is it under there? This guy's been lying to me, dude.
Maybe it's under this lion.
Why is he saying this?
Oh, it is under there.
there.
He did pay for it.
So people just don't like people just don't like leaving money in the mailbox.
Yeah, but that little 15er, that we needed that.
Mm-hmm.
Straight up. The extra 15er.
Mm-hmm. Come on, MJ, with your stinky booty.
I was like kind of sad about that.
Sissy feetsies. Hi, Mama. So what happened?
That guy, we thought he just beat us for the tile, but he just left it under the lion. He just messaged us. That's classic, right? Mm-hmm. I have to tell him thank you, sir.
Why you look like the mom from the Partridge Family, Bonnie?